Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's gonna be a very simple little video today. I'm going to cook dinner. I'm gonna make some corned beef with rice and tater tots. I'm kind of YOLOing it. Usually I buy pico de gallo, but we're kind of making it from homemade, kind of scratch-ish. My daughter didn't like it last time, so I might have to make something extra for her. So yeah, we're making dinner.
Alright, like I said, I normally use pico de gallo, but I'm actually just doing bell peppers, and I'm also going to cut up a whole onion. I also used a carrot as well as cilantro. You don't need to put a carrot. I just did to, add it in there for my toddler, even if she didn't like it anyways. And then I go ahead and oil on the pan, and I go ahead and throw the pico de gallo inside there, along with some sofrito. You could buy it at the supermarket. My grandma makes it, so that is what I use. And then here I am throwing the corned beef inside there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mix it all up. And while that is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the rice and quinoa, and I'm gonna go ahead and put whatever seasonings I like. I like using a rice cooker. It's just my preferred method. Alright, and then go ahead and add your favorite seasonings. I'm so sorry if you hear my toddler. I never do voiceovers when she's around, but she is right now, and she does not stop looking. So go ahead and add the tomato sauce, and then go ahead and mix it up, and then go ahead and add a cup of water. Then you're gonna go ahead and let that simmer. I'm gonna go ahead and make tater tots. You can make French fries or get French fries from the store.
Alright, so the corned beef is done, and then the potatoes I'm gonna put last. I did make some veggies for my toddler, and then there's rice under there, which is almost done. And so now let's get this out of the way so it's nice and hot. Yeah, so we got my mom got me a new ice maker. This is actually the old one. It's only making them halfway now. So we need a new one. If this one that we buy this time, well, my mom got this time around, if it doesn't, it's supposed to get here today. If it doesn't last longer than a year, I'm going to buy a big one. I have a big ice machine, and I told my husband already, I'm like, we'll make room, we'll find a place to put it, but I'm over these ice machines breaking every year.
And my daughter doesn't actually like it, so this is how I served hers, and I served my husband's and mine with rice, tater tots, and then the corned beef on top. I like crushed red peppers with mine personally. And then here I am washing the dishes again. I'm starting to watch Pretty Little Liars again. I haven't watched it in so many years, but I saw it on Hulu, and I was like, I need to start watching this again. But here I am washing the dishes. This vlog is going to be a little bit all over the place. When I say goodbye, don't believe me, because I didn't realize I didn't have that much footage. So yeah. And here I am showing you guys my brand new ice machine. I'm so excited. It is nice and big, and I actually have really been loving it. It's been a couple days since we had it now from me filming this video, so I really do like it.
It's actually crazy how much bigger it is. Still gotta really learn how to work it, but it comes out in a lot bigger, but it's a lot bigger than the other one. Hopefully this one lasts a lot longer. Alright guys, I know this video was a little bit on the shorter side, but I'm going to go ahead and call it a night. I need to take off my face. My toddler is a little bit on the fussier side tonight, so I need to get her to bed. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. She's currently brushing her teeth with my husband, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Please leave this emoji down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Currently in my daughter's room. I feel like the lighting in this room is so weird. Like, it doesn't really look all that great. I have an audience. She's literally staring at me right now, like, Mommy, who are you talking to? Beautiful. So today I thought I would go ahead. She's in the backside saying hello. Today I'm actually going to just share with you guys a little bit of a day in a life, which is mainly of my videos. Mommy! Yes, baby. But today, I want to share with you guys like what I get in the mail. I am doing my sister-in-law's lashes, so my sister-in-law's gonna come an hour before my mom comes, so she can play with my daughter for a little bit. She doesn't really see my daughter. My daughter always knows who she is. Weird, ever since she was a baby. Mommy. Usually they extrañan. Hi, baby. They usually extrañan. But my daughter does not. She's never done that with my sister-in-law. She knew she was her aunt since, I think, birth. Since she is her only biological aunt.
Anyways, not the point. So yeah, I am gonna just kind of share the day with you guys. My husband is not here, so you will definitely be hearing my daughter a lot, which is why I choose not to film when no one else is here with me, because of my daughter. I don't want her to come out on camera. Personal preference. This world is wild, and I don't want her to be part of this. This is my channel, and my life as a mom, not my daughter's channel. Again, personal preference. If you do so, you can do whatever you want. I don't care. I just personally am saying about that. I just want to share that with you guys and share a little bit of my day when I don't have help. But again, I am doing lashes today, so I obviously have to have help. There's no way I could do lash extensions while my toddler is roaming around for free. Like, I just can't. And it is a beautiful day out, so she's gonna be excited to be outside. You okay? Weirdly enough, this little person of mine, Mommy. She's we always put her in PJs, long sleeves, and long pants. Obviously, the season just started changing, and now it's 70s, so now it's like she can wear short sleeves. Y'all, this child had a whole moment because of long sleeves. Having short sleeves. She did not want short sleeves. She did not want short sleeves. So it's taken us like a week and a half to kind of get her used to it. She still has her moments where she remembers that she has short sleeves and starts crying. So, yeah. You okay? Yeah, you're okay. All right. So yeah, let's go ahead and go on with today. I rambled enough.
All right, and here I am setting up for her lash appointment. Again, it is my sister-in-law's lashes, so I'm just setting up and getting everything ready. She wanted a volume short set, so this is the lashes. They came out so pretty, and she loved them. And it just started pouring outside, guys. Oh my god. All right, and right now I'm putting away my new dish soap that just came in the mail, and I'm gonna put away Hello Fresh as well. I decided to start ordering it again.
So I'm done with my sister-in-law's lashes. I really need to fold clothes, but I'm not doing that today. It is already 8 o'clock. I cleaned the kitchen. We actually ended up eating some Chinese food that my mom ordered so that I wouldn't have to cook while I did lashes and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take off my face and call it a night. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to leave this emoji down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.